Subscribe to JAZEE'S recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hi guys, welcome to JAZEE'S recipes and this is Jizla Ismat, and what I get into your kitchen today is peanut butter pudding. You can find the written recipe link in the description box. So let's begin. First, dissolve the gelatin in the cold water and let it sit for 5 minutes to allow it to bloom. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of condensed milk and take a cup of water in the same cup and give a quick mix and pour it into the saucepan. Then add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and whisk everything together. Simmer the mixture on very low heat and whisk constantly. Then add the bloomed gelatin and keep stirring until the gelatin dissolved completely. Make sure you no longer see the bloomed gelatin. Let it sit for 5 minutes until it comes to room temperature. Once after it comes to room temperature, pour the mixture to a pudding tray. For garnishing, heat a pan over a medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of sugar along with a tablespoon of water. When the sugar mixture starts melting, add peanuts and shredded coconut. Continue cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly until nuts are evenly coated with melted sugar. Once they are coated well, remove from the heat and place the nuts on a plate to cool. Break them apart with your fingers and sprinkle on the pudding. Move to refrigerator for around 1 to 2 hours until completely set. So here you have delicious peanut butter pudding. Do keep watching and do let us know how you like it. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to JAZEE'S recipes for recipe notification. Thank you for watching.